brand new project I want to do. First, we're going to develop an armature real quick. We're going to put some clay on it. I'm going to sculpt the skull because it has...
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
There's a project I started a few years ago. I think it's high time I finish it.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world
Okay, so we're gonna start with it a little bit like this.
on
We're gonna do this. I'll show you how this is done.
You set my world on fire.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid
So 5 years is a lot of time, and I've learned a lot over that time, and things have changed a lot. One of the best things I've learned is, in order to create a masterpiece, you have to become someone who's able to create that masterpiece. The masterpiece is you. Whatever you want to create in this life, you need to become the type of person who can create that thing. In the end, this piece is about death and rebirth. It's the death of the old person and turning that person into something new. We all go through cycles of things going away and new things coming out of it. It's the idea of the phoenix. It's the idea of rebirth. Out of the hard things come incredible new things. Out of pain can come joy, and out of suffering can come a new vigor for life. All the hardships, all the difficulties in life can become something new because you give it new meaning and you create that new meaning. And if you believe in God, which I do, that's something that He does for you. You can co-create with Him that new meaning, and He can make that something beautiful for you. I hope you join me on the next build. This was very serious, and there was a lot of emotion tied up in this for me, and to pull 5 years together in one, 6 or 7 minute video, that was a lot for me, and it took me a long time to wrap my head around how to do this and get this out there to you. I hope you guys enjoy this. Do all the YouTube-y things. And if you want to see how I made this, there's videos on my channel, so go check that out. Bye!